relief that lasts up to 12 hours, try Vicks Sinex. From Vicks, trusted relief for over 120.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stop right here real quick.
Around a blind corner. That's really smart, dude. Yes! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Get you stupid idiot! Oh, what a moron! Yes! Finally! Oh, let's go!
stop. Why are you slamming on the brakes? Oh, I just saw him do a pit on him. Damn, wild, dude. Look at him. They're pitting him in. That's freaking wild. Holy shit. Alright. Road's about to be shut down right now. He's still going. Oh, they're shooting. Oh, he's coming back. Damn! What in the actual fuck? Damn, son. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, he's coming back. Oh, he took out the boat. Oh, my freaking God. Brand new boat. They said he just pulled out right here. Literally just bought it.
Brand new boat and a race.
What an idiot. What an idiot.
I need your license.
Yeah, I don't have my license on me.
No, you cannot drive without a license.
You have my picture.
You cannot drive without a license.
Okay, I understand. So you
Yeah,
can call
you.
the police?
Yeah, I'll call it.
Police. Yeah,
You have to wait.
I don't have to wait.
You have
call
to
the
wait.
police. You have my license.
You have to wait.
You have my license.
You have to wait.
My name is Robin.
Whatever
I'm
it
the
is.
owner of the
I can see clearly now Holly Cole Trio and Roxette. Before that, it must have been love. Well, okay. Mariah, we've been waiting for you, baby.
Jesus!
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit.